Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo iQOO U5x, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this device. First, you need to open the Albums application, and for example, here I have only one photo, and now I will remove it. And as you can see, photo was successfully deleted. So how to recover this photo? To do it, you just need to open the albums, then here, just choose recently deleted folder, click and hold on the photo you want to recover, and click on the 3 dots button, and click restore. Click restore, and great, photo was restored. Now go back to the photos, and as you can see, photo was successfully restored. You have only 30 days after removing to restore photo. After 30 days after removing time, your photos and videos will be permanently removed from the recycle bin. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.